You ran your company with all those key performance indicator, forecast, budgeting, and controls. Why would you wing, or take it like don't care attitude with your retirement? Because most business owners don't model their retirement like they model their business, but really they should. Same thing, you've got projections, margin of safety, and some very educated assumptions, right, to actually chart your entire retirement roadmap. And you can and really you should manage your retirement like a very lean business, with a planned cash flow, reserves, and a realistic forecasting. And the good news is you can do that using this AI powered advisory tool to plan your retirement as a business. It's fast, it's really convenient, and yet it's powerful enough to let you see or analyze or consider a lot more complex financial retirement scenarios. Potentially, it could really reveal to you anything, potential issues that will become a big issue in the future. So, you put in any measures to prevent that negative outcome from happening now. And yes, I created this AI advisory tool, calculator to actually construct and even analyze detailed, more intricate retirement plans and scenarios for my clients. You can really look at your retirement progress over time, visually as well, like this. Comment retire, and I'll send you a light version of this tool to you, FOC, so you can do simulations of how long your retirement portfolio of funds might last based on different retirement spending levels, different KPIs, different forecasting, and different level of financial scenarios.